Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark.
And we're at T-minus 9 minutes and counting. And the ground launch sequencer has been initiated.
Sequence has been initiated.
NASA Test Director Steve Altimus is about to call for the transmittal of stored pre-launch commands as Endeavour is prepared for launch on shuttle mission STS-111, less than 9 minutes away on a crew exchange mission to the International Space Station. And the ground launch sequencer has indeed begun the retraction of the orbiter access arm. This is the walkway used by the crew to gain entry into and out of the vehicle, and it can be returned to position within seconds if necessary. T-minus 3 minutes, 30 seconds and counting.
OTC, PLT, caution warning cleared, no unexpected errors. OTC copies.
And again, everything looks good and we are cleared for launch.
Advisors, initiate O2 flow. Advisors at O2 flow, thank you.
T-minus 2 minutes and counting. And we have a go for auto sequence start. Endeavour's onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 20 seconds and counting. 15. 12. 10, 9, 8, 7. We have a go for main engine start. 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have booster ignition and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Endeavour, extending our reach while expanding our research and space.
Houston now controlling the flight of Endeavour.
Roll program.
3 new residents headed for the International Space Station. Endeavour completing its roll, 51.6 degrees inclined to the equator. The shuttle heads down wings level for the 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 37 seconds into the flight, 3 liquid fuel main engines now throttling back in a 3-step fashion to 72% of rated performance. That will reduce the stress on the shuttle as it breaks through the sound barrier.
Endeavour Houston, go at throttle up.
Go at throttle up.
Throttle up call acknowledged by Commander Ken Cockrell aboard Endeavour. He's joined on the flight deck by pilot Paul Lockhart, flight engineer Franklin Chang Diaz, and mission specialist Philippe Perrin. The new Expedition 5 crew, Commander Valerie Korzun and flight engineers Peggy Whitson and Sergei Chestchov, seated down on the middeck. Endeavour already 11.5 miles in altitude, 8 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. 3 good main engines, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good auxiliary power units. One minute, 40 seconds into the flight, about 25 seconds away from solid rocket booster separation. Endeavour traveling almost 2,400 miles an hour. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation. Booster officer confirms a good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging. The onboard computers commanding the main engine nozzles to gently swivel, aiming the shuttle for a precise keyhole in space for main engine cutoff. Endeavour 34 miles in altitude, 41 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, beginning to pick up speed.
Endeavour Houston, 2-engine Marone.
Copy. Houston, Maroon.
That call from Capcom Bill Ofaline indicating that if one main engine should fail, we could reach transoceanic abort site at Morón, Spain. The orbital maneuvering system engines have now ignited to provide Endeavour with a kick in the pants heading uphill toward the International Space